Bearish Oasis Network market cost expectation for 2022 is 3 cents. Oasis Network presentation. Oasis Network has previously drawn in a great deal of interest from the local area with its main goal to offer dApps and the information economy a fast and safe climate. An expansion in normal exchanging cost was welcomed on the new news. For data on the fate of the resource, see our Oasis Network value expectation. Be then as it may, how does various variables influence the Oasis Network cost forecast? Here is a rundown of the venture overall before we investigate the ROSE cost expectation. What is the Oasis Network? Oasis Labs, laid out in 2018 by teacher Sunrise Toon of the College of California, Berkeley, is the essential maker of the Oasis Network. Oasis Network creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability. It depicts itself as the principal security-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a mindful information economy. The network's in reverse similarity with the Ethereum blockchain, which was delivered in October 2020, empowers the development of decentralized applications like the decentralized trade Uniswap from Ethereum to the Oasis blockchain. The network's local utility money, called ROSE, is utilized for marking and appointment at the agreement layer as well concerning paying exchange expenses. Out of a complete fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off dissemination supply of 1.5 billion. Over the long run, delegators and stakers will get motivators for defending the network in how much around 2.3 billion tokens. Oasis Network key investigation. Oasis Network is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes evidence of stake, as was at that point depicted. It is additionally the business most memorable security-centered exertion for open money. The objective of digital forms of money is to hurry the reception of decentralized finance by the overall population. It does this by fostering a stage that is more open, versatile, and reasonable than elective conventions presently available. The organization asserts that the Oasis blockchain is very versatile due to two parts. These are alluded to by the Oasis network as the agreement layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer makes it workable for various exchanges to be completed simultaneously, speeding up by and large handling execution. The site guarantees that contrasted with sharding and parachain procedure on other blockchains, paratime handling is more protected. A critical part of the drive, as per the Oasis network, is security. The drive utilizes a protected processing stage called confided and execution climate, which, as per Oasis network, shields shrewd agreement execution and ensures that information is never presented to engineers or validators. Clients can feel more quiet realizing that those drew and will approach their delicate information on account of this. The site likewise offers what it terms tokenized information, a sort of computerized resources. This element, as per Oasis Network, gives clients command over the information they produce. Oasis Network is looking to rethink information proprietorship rather than customary innovation, where organizations control the data they assemble to make an additional mindful information economy. With these security qualities, the gathering desires to open up an extensive variety of new use cases. Moreover, it will ensure that applications can deal with basic information, like banking and well-being data, without clients stressing over the information being compromised, the organization claims. Oasis Network specialized investigation. Despite the fact that it is challenging to give 100% precise specialized examination to the Oasis Network digital currency, TradingView's strong specialized examination apparatus permits you to see the collected ROSE trade rating continuously for the picked time span. The most broadly utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are the underpinning of the ROSE USD report. Gov Capital, in a hopeful estimate, gives ROSE a bullish cost expectation for a very long time. The stage predicts a steady expansion in the normal exchanging cost of the token. Similarly, digital coin price likewise sees the coin expanding in esteem. The entry predicts an expansion in normal cost, however, at a somewhat more slow speed. Oasis Network current cost. Oasis Network is presently worth 4 cents USD. ROSE has moved 2.85% as of now with an exchanging volume of $15,491,065. Oasis Network is presently positioned 105 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $264,905,371 USD. Oasis Network value forecast 2022. Oasis Network, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ROSE cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 6 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 6 cents in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ROSE is supposed to have a base worth of 5 cents. Oasis Network value expectation 2023. In 2023, Oasis Network Rose cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform 11 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Rose's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 9 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 10 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 16 cents and Rose might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 14 cents and a low of 13 cents in 2024. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2025. In the event that Oasis Network effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2025. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 20 cents, with a base cost of 18 cents and a typical cost of 19 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 23 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 22 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Rose has a most extreme value worth of 25 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 28 cents. In the event that Rose figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of 29 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Rose needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 27 cents. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2028. While Rose is endeavoring towards interoperability between networks to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 32 cents and a yearly cost close above 34 cents in 2028. Oasis Network Value Expectation 2029. The base cost could be 36 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 38 cents, averaging out at 37 cents. Oasis Network Value Forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Rose cost in 2030 is projected to be 44 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 43 cents. The drive seems to have guarantee, yet it is yet hazy the way in